Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit urban filter using Lightroom Mobile CC. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. Just click the subscribe button and bell icon below so you notify when I upload a new video. So let's get started.
Open your photo in Lightroom. First go to Light, Contrast to +20, Highlights to -53. Shadows to +31, White to -10, Blacks to -10, and go to Curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to Color tool. Temperature and tint brings to +10. Vibrance -20. Saturation -21. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Brings the saturation -10 and luminance +6. Next go to orange color. Hue brings to -6 and saturation +10, luminance +2. Next go to yellow. Bring the saturation +44. Last go to green and saturation brings to +28. And next go to effect. Texture brings up to +15 and clarity +28. Dehaze +10 and vignette -20. And go to split tone. Brings the hue 40 and saturation 4 for shadows. And go to details. Sharpening brings to 69 and noise reduction 16. And finish. Now let's copy this preset in another photos.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And see you next video.